So today is the journey of new beginning. That means a new starting of the dream or some achievements, right? So today I want to share with you the one particular decision I make for me in 2026. Okay, this decision is the best vision, the best board vision I want to achieve in 2026. So that's why some decision I make, I make a short list and mention a lot of different type of goals what I achieve, and this is the very important for me. So today is the day of something do different. Okay, so today I know initial days everything seems so hard, but I accept the challenge and I start work on my this type of goal. But today I make a one short list so that mention uh, every single day study every single day, reading books and writing something and record yourself and whatever I mention in this list. And the best thing I want to share with you on this thing is you are doing very well in your life. But you know what? You are joining different type of challenges and commitments with yourself. But can you ask yourself why you are joining the challenges, why you are doing the different type of thing, why you are joining, and lot of so many if you want. But can you ask yourself why you are doing this type of joining of challenges, and ask only one time, you ask yourself why you are doing this. This today's day is very important for us because today's we will start the joining of challenges and today's day first. So that's why ask yourself why you are doing this, why you are scrolling different type of reels, why you are disturbed, why you are distract different type of social media, or stop this. If you want to achieve something in your life, so stop this. That's it. Okay, so if you don't mind, so can you stop this watching reels, watching social media? And this answer is yes. So you are absolutely the best version of your life. You are the best person in your life because you are achieve different type of goals and success. But only one step you have followed. The step is stop all about this scrolling and distracting all of social media, and just start to work on your goal. Start to work on focus on your goal. Just that's it. And this thing I already I already do, and now we will doing. Okay. So if you don't mind, so let's join with me in the new version, new board vision of myself in 2026. So let's start. Okay. So you are make a plan, a good plan for you. So start the both of achievement, right? So start, and all the best. And thank you for watching this video.